In problem 9, let's first identify the tax base at each information at year end. The method used in taxation in depreciating the equipment is SYD, so the tax base would be 654,545. Tax base of trade notes receivable is 0 because it is only taxable when cash is collected. The unearned rent income's tax base is also 0 because it results to a temporary difference of 540,000 pesos. And the interest payable is a permanent difference because the interest do not have tax consequence. Last, dividends payable is ignored because it is tax exempt. Next, find the difference of carrying amount and tax base of those accounts. First, equipment has 145,455, trade notes receivable has 1 million, and unearned rent income has 540,000 difference. Both the carrying amount of the assets is greater than its tax base. Therefore, it is taxable temporary difference. Also, the carrying amount of the liability is greater than its tax base. Therefore, it is deductible temporary difference. Then, in finding income tax expense, we add the pre-tax income to the non-deductible and multiply by tax rate, which is equal to 798,000. Beginning of deferred tax liability and deferred tax asset is divided by the tax rate to get the previous taxable and deductible temporary difference and subtract it to the current taxable and deductible temporary difference to get the changes in the current year, are 245,455 and 326,667 respectively. To get the deferred tax liability and deferred tax asset at year end, we multiply it by the tax rate, and that would be 343,637 and 162,000 pesos respectively. We will just copy the changes in the current year to get our current tax expense, which is 822,363 pesos. Therefore, the answer is A.